Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea in your hotel room. First, gather your essential supplies like tea bags, a mug, and a hot water source. Most hotel rooms offer a kettle or a coffee maker, which can both be used to heat water. Always check for clean water and a stable, safe surface to prepare your drink. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable tea-making experience. Next, it's time to heat your water. If using a kettle, fill it with fresh, cold water, avoiding reboiled water for better flavor. For a coffee maker, fill the reservoir with fresh water. Plug in your chosen appliance and switch it on. Allow the water to reach a full, rolling boil, which is crucial for properly extracting the flavors from your tea leaves. Now for the steeping process. Place one tea bag into your mug. Carefully pour the freshly boiled water over the tea bag, ensuring it's fully submerged. Allow your tea to steep for approximately 2 to 5 minutes. The exact steeping time depends on the type of tea and your personal preference for strength. For stronger tea, steep a little longer. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly brewed hotel room tea. Gently remove the tea bag from your mug, being careful not to drip. If you like, add milk, sugar, or a slice of lemon to customize your drink to your liking. Remember to dispose of the used tea bag and any other waste in the appropriate receptacles. Now, relax and savor your warm beverage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.